Sensing360 is a company which uses optical sensors to optimize everything what rotates. For instance, wind turbines. But another big market with a lot of energy losses is marine propulsion systems, the driving of a ship. And that's why we engage with Damen to develop this solution further.
We've invested in Sensing360 because we can use the same technology they use in the wind parks and the windmills on our vessels.
It's essential to develop as a small company in a consortium with larger companies like Damen in Marine, because they know the market, they know what's needed, and we have the knowledge. If you combine it, you can actually develop something which the market needs and is new to the market, like measuring exact propulsion.
This fibre-optic technology can improve our vessels because we know exactly what is happening in complex environments such as the gearbox. We've done a couple of research projects with Sensing360. We've implemented technology on one of our vessels. We have estimated that we can save about 7 to 12% fuel on the vessel.
On the right side there is an exhaust, on the left side as well. Steering cabin.
The information we get from our sensors is to predict failures. So months before a failure happening, that things go right or wrong, which allows them for already planned maintenance and make sure they don't have unexpected downtime. So we use fibre-optical sensors, which are shown here. Here you see about 8 of these sensors, and we put it around the bearing or the gearbox in the groove like this. In simple terms is that we put on the glass fibers which measure the change in deformation, so how it's moving, and that is how we measure exact bearing loads. So the heart of the ship, the propulsion system. So this is the engine. The engine goes to the gearbox, and the gearbox will go to the propulsion shaft which propellers the ship. We will install our sensors in the gearbox to measure the real operation condition, and this can be used to optimize fuel consumption in the marine environment. Our technology is sustainable due to 2 reasons. One reason is that due to the fact that we measure the exact loads, designs can be optimized. And secondly, since we measure used life versus remaining life, once the turbine is decommissioned, you still know what's left. So either you can choose to extend the lifetime, or you can resell it and they will start reproducing energy again, which is kind of reusing the same materials.
The subsidies of TKI Offshore are essential for companies like Sensing360. As an investor, we want to see some traction in the market before we invest. So having that subsidy provides a company like Sensing360 with its first startup, and after that we as Damen Shipyard can support them further along.
Due to the fact that we got a grant, we were able to develop our solution further into market entry, both from financial perspective but also from the network of the TKI Offshore Energy, to learn what to make, and we were actually able to make it.